to another vlog here today. Today we're back at a very special place, a place of paradise. Six Flags Whitewater for the opening weekend, 41st season of operation. We're not going to be long-winded. Without further ado, let's have a splashing of time. Let's go have ourselves an adventure. Oh, we're doing something different here today. We're starting with Typhoon Twister. Good old Sir Frederick has the raft. Raft has been acquired. I'm super hyped to be here. Oh, we're about to have a blast as we're going to go on up here. We're just switching things up. Like I said, Typhoon Twister to start off the day. No Python Plunge. Everything's open. I don't think Dive Bomber is, but... yeah. But anyways, Lazy River's open though, so we're definitely gonna get in there and have a good time. Let's get it. Oh boy. It's Fred Stern. Let's get it. Typhoon Twister. Just got off a Typhoon Twister, and you saw a bit of that as they're going down. Fred wiping out. I forgot how intense that thing was. It's been a year or so, but yeah, we're getting an overview of everything happening in this area, man. I love this section of the park. I love all the slides over here. It's just amazing. Somebody splashing down. Crazy, crazy. Hey, by the way, make sure you can swim on that side right there. And I'm glad they have, I guess they're making people wear the life vest nowadays, because it is, what, 6 feet deep or something like that? But yeah, that was intense. Typhoon Twister, definitely got to hit that again. But we're gonna keep on going. Maybe Dragon's Tail next, but we'll see here in a second. All right, so we're headed on up to Dragon's Tail. As you see, somebody's about to splash on through, wipe out completely. You like fly an extra like 6 feet after you get out the tube. It's crazy. But yeah, no line unless there's a little bit of a line up there, but it looks like they have both sides running. So yeah, as always, let's get in the queue. Woo! And let's see what we can do. Let's get it, Dragon's Tail. As you can see, we're switching it up here a little bit for you. Started with Typhoon Twister, now Dragon's Tail. Then probably gonna hit Python Plunge. Oh wow, they really need to cut this right here. Get it out of my way. Forget how many steps are in this park. All right, let's get it. Heading on up. Woo! Oh baby. All right. Woo. Bro. Yeah, Dragon's Tail is epic. Headed this way, Fred. Woo. That thing's intense as always, yeah, man. As usual. As usual. All right, so yeah, headed up. Python Plunge, new for 2022. Let's get it. The line is much, much longer. Going around for Python Plunge at the moment, so we're gonna go around this way and then double back to this. For sure, we're getting on Python Plunge. So we got Black River Falls is indeed open. Golf Screamer, and they got chairs all the way over there, but this is good to see that all of this is open here for the 2025 season, and I'm super hyped. I haven't been on these since 2021 opening day. Yeah, let's get on them. Woo, Golf Screamer, let's get it. It's been a hot minute since I've been on this, since 2021. Yeah, oh wow, I forgot how much this thing spins and how quick it is. Hopefully it's as good as I remember it. It did look like it when I saw people sliding down just beforehand, but yeah, let's get on it. Head on up. I haven't seen this area in so long. 4 years. All right, let's get in the queue, y'all. Oh baby. Oh! I forgot how crazy this thing is, my goodness. Oh, oh crap. Oh, the girl's coming. Crap. It's like the raft kept going and it just flew out from under me. And then I just fell right in the water. Insane. All right, so you got the brand new cabanas right here for rental, for rent right here by the wave pool, but also the Lazy River's back open. And also, I forgot what this slide is called. Everything is open here today, 100%. So we're going around here and bro, haven't been over here. This is the last slide I did on opening day of 2021. So, wow. But I don't remember what this is called though. But I'll update you on the screen or something soon. Oh, Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave. That's what it's called. Tidal Wave. But yeah, let's go around here and get on Tidal Wave. Oh, my legs. Oh, what is happening? We're gonna go right into the lazy river. By the way, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. Woohoo! Right into it. Ooh. Back in the lazy river for the first time in like 2 years here at Whitewater. My goodness. Just was in a lazy river yesterday. Make sure you guys check out that vlog if you guys haven't, from Spivey Splash. Yeah, pretty epic. And they don't have the waterfall over there flowing right now. Interesting. But I'm just glad this is open though. Just got out the lazy river. That was amazing. Absolute paradise just to be flowing with the river. My goodness, the lazy river was so good. Alright, so let's loop around. And Dive Bomber is open, by the way, guys. I cannot wait to experience Dive Bomber for my very, very first time. Ooh, that is beautiful. The brand new paint job. This thing is 21 years old now. They decided to paint it on its 21st birthday. Shout out to that. But yeah, tornado. But we're headed to these slides over here. I don't know if like, what is it? Runaway River is open, but Dive Bomber we saw flowing. I think it appears to be open, so let's go see. So it might have been open, but it's not running and operating right now, but I think this is because I see people around here. All right, so update here. It was indeed, I was right, it was indeed operating, and it was running both of these, Runaway River and Dive Bomber. But I just missed it. They don't have enough lifeguards here today, but they will for sure next week. I just confirmed that, but yeah. They're trying to send more people, from what I was just told by an employee, to possibly open up again here today. But as of now, it was open, but it's shut down, both slides. I will get on Dive Bomber one day. I will get on it. All right, so we're going up Tornado, and we're going with this family and Sir Frederick here. But doesn't this look beautiful? Let's hike on up, and I'll see you guys either on there or when we get off. We'll see. And the drop. Hold on. Tornado is epic as always. 21 years and strong, moving strong. Oh, that was so good with the family. The whole little kid hung on though. Shout out to him, I'm proud of him. But that was epic. All right, time to go get some food. All right, so after like a 30-45 minute like lunch break, even though there's like an hour and some change left in the day here at the park, yeah, they changed the Stern Burger. It's just a single patty now at the Stern Wheeler. It's just a single patty now with an onion ring and cheese. Yeah, gotta find something else to eat here when I visit here. My goodness. But anyways, headed up here, Python Plunge. Finally, it's got a little bit of a wait, but this will be the last slide of the day before I head on out from this crazy wet adventure. But good time we had. Times were had. A good one. Fred's still here. Yep. Headed on up, hiking on up, Python Plunge. See you guys when we get on. Yeah! Oh, here we go. We're gonna, one more. There we go. Absolutely nuts. Absolutely love Python Plunge, so good. And with that being said, that'll do it for me today here at Six Flags Whitewater for opening day. Had a blast there today. Pretty much everything was open, but yeah, I'm here in the car, by the way, ending the vlog, but had a blast. Hopefully you guys enjoyed yourself too as well. What is your favorite slide here at Six Flags Whitewater? And also, has any of y'all ridden Dive Bomber? I have not done it yet, but I will soon, I promise you that. Guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. We're on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. It's free. Thank you all so much for watching. Till my next video and our adventure. Take care, be well, and have a thrilling day.